Hi everyone, good evening. Okay, so we will start now. Everyone, please open my SQL and I'll give you one link. Open this link. This link has the date dataset, the transaction dataset. You can open up that transaction dataset. Just copy paste that data in your system. So how we give date is you give year, month, day. Year, month, date. Okay. So these are the details that we were having. So quickly, I'll give you 5 minutes, quickly copy paste that and enter into your system so that we can move forward with the next things. The link is there in the chat window. There is one data called data for customer transaction or something like that. The name is. Basically, you have to load the value for insertion for customer, that is already there. Value insertion for region, it is also there. And value insertion for transaction is also there. You have 5 minutes, quickly do that. And link I have shared you in the chat window. I'll share it again. Yes, that is a text file. Download it and copy paste in your this one system, MySQL. So and execute it. So these 5 columns are there. Creation of table and alter table. I've already pasted in that query. You can check that out as well. Customer ID missing. So customer ID column you might not have created. We'll start with the first things first. So starting with the first thing that we have in here is select query. Select query means we want to fetch the data. We want to fetch the records. Now, how to fetch the records? Apurv, please do it quick. So first thing that we have is how to fetch the record. So see, over here we have a region, select asterisk from region. This will show us all the records. Once you hit enter, you will see all the records in here. Got it? Let me show you. We have actually 2 data set here. Okay, you can use this world as well as the one that you have created. Okay, you can use 2 data sets. Now I will suggest you can use any of them for practice purpose, but we will be going in parallel with both of them. We'll be seeing few things here, few things there. Or I will suggest you, since we have loaded all the data, now this will be your task to create an analysis over here. What kind of analysis you can do? We will be going forward with world database. We have done the neobanks as well. I'll show you in neobanks how to do, and I'll show you in world as well. Okay, we both the data sets are very simple. You can check this out over here. Only 3 tables are there. Okay, understood? Yes. Understood? Both the data set that is there, they are easy, but Sakila one I will not suggest you to use it because Sakila has a lot of tables. I'll show you it. A lot of tables are there, but we are here to understand the DQL, that is data query language. So for that purpose, we will be using this world database because this is a pretty good database that we have. I'll show you this thing. First, let me know, are you clear with this thing? Are you all able to see this world database? Which thing, Shruti? screenshot. OM, you don't have to create world database. It's already created. You can see it here. It's already created. That is a default provided by, this is a default provided by, then share the screenshot here. This is the default provided by the MySQL. Okay, so can we move here? Now, we have three tables. Just focus on the tables over here that we have. Fetch all the records for country table or from country table. Guys, understood the question? I have not created any world database. It is already created. By default, you will find it. World database. If you have installed it the way I have asked you to install, if you have installed that way, you will find this world database here. Select asset from country. This will show you all the records. You see here. Understood? Now, fetch specific column from the country table, or not specific. But here I want, let's say name, comma, name, comma, continent, comma, population. Okay. Understood? Now here, what I'm trying to do is I want to fetch specific columns here. I don't want all these columns. Since all the columns are coming up over here, I don't want all these columns. I want specific columns. So how to do that? Select column name. What is that column name? Column name is name, comma, continent, comma, population. From country. Yeah, what is the error? Show me the error. Show me the screenshot. So error you are getting because you have not commented it properly. There should be a space between these two hyphen and fetch. Okay. Let's review. It is clear. I'll show you one more thing here. So next thing that we have is I want to see the unique name of continents or region, you can say. For now, we have a lot of regions: Caribbean, Central Africa, Southern Europe, Middle East. Multiple things are coming, but I want to check what is the unique, how many unique regions are there. Fetch unique region from country table. Now, how to do that? In order to fetch that, we have select distinct region from country. This will fetch unique regions. Okay? These are the unique regions here. Is it clear? Okay. Now there will be multiple time using this table. So now I want to fetch the records where population is more than 20 or 10 crore. Okay. Let me show you. Fetch all the records where population is greater than what we say 10 crore. So it has 8 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 crore. I'm repeating this. I want to fetch all the records where population is greater than 10 crore. So in Python, like we do, if population greater than this, then show the record, else not, like that. So how we are going to do that? Let's see. Select asterisk from country where population is greater than 10 crore. You will see, just for a sample purpose, you see what is the population of this Aruba country? You can see that it's 1 lakh. You can see this is 1 lakh. Apart from this, this is 1 crore. Should I give 1 crore only? Or 10 crore is fine? I think so 10 crore will be there somewhere. 10 crore is fine. So you see Aruba, then I don't think so Afghanistan will also come into picture because Afghanistan is also having very less population. Yes, Afghanistan will not come. Angola, these countries will not come, and I'll show you. See, it starts with Bangladesh. Bangladesh, Brazil, China, Indonesia, India, Japan, Nigeria, Pakistan, Russian Federation, US. That's it. These are the countries having population greater than 10 crore. And you can see that as well. Bangladesh is having, I think so, 12 crore population. Understood? Yeah. Now, fetch all the records where we can say life expectancy is greater than 70.5. Okay, you guys do this then. No. Greater than. Manjula, this is wrong. This is wrong. This error is coming because you are not putting semicolon. That's why. Put the semicolon. Put the semicolon. In customer information, customer transaction, put this. Everyone done with it? Select asterisk from country where life expectancy is greater than 70.5. Here we go. So these are the countries having life expectancy greater than 70.5. You want to reduce the record, you can just write 75.5, you'll have less record. Okay, but we'll keep 20.5. Like that. Yeah. Understood? Now, we have three more queries here between like and in. That I will explain you. I'll show you. Fetch all the records. Why I'm writing all the records? Because let's see how all the records looks like. But more or less, we will be talking about this only. Columns also you can take, but I'm not taking that columns. Okay, so fetch all the records where population lies between you can say 5 crore, 5 CR to 10 CR. For writing purpose, I'm writing this thing. For this, we will write select asterisk from country where population between 5 crore, is it 5 crore? Yes, that is 5 crore. Between 5 crore and 10 crore. Is it 10 crore? 3, then 2, then another 2, 1 0 is extra. You see, these are the population between 5 crore to 10 crore. Between operator we have over here. So between two values, 5 and 10 is included. Is it clear? All of you? We are not commenting the previous code here because this will not affect. Actually, it will run block by block. And even if it does run, we are not concerned about it because the latest result is going to be printed. So we are writing this block by block. After fetching the data over here, export import. This. You can save this file as a CSV file. Okay. Guys, are we clear on this? Let's say we have this thing in here called what we say name, or you don't exactly remember the name, but you know that it contains AB or DF or any initials. any initials it contains. Getting my point? No. Let's say, suppose, for example, let me first execute this part over here. See, I want to fetch records for all the country. Fetch all the records where country name contains AN in it. Where country name contains AN in it. Yes. No, not America. Like Afghanistan, like Netherlands, like Scotland, Poland, like that in it. Example, I will write example, Poland, Scotland, etc. How to do that? So pretty simple. You write where country, sorry, where name, like in single quotes you write modulus an modulus. So what this will do, this will search for a pattern an. This will search for a pattern an. Understood? No. This will search for a pattern an. So AN pattern, when it search for AN pattern, you will have names like this: Afghanistan, Angola, Anguilla, Albania, Andorra, Netherlands, American, like that. You see all the, or let's say we write land only. That is much better. It will search for land. Netherlands, island, Switzerland, island, Finland, island, all these things. Okay, understood? The like keyword. Clear? Yes or no? I'm coming to that part. I'm coming to that part. Double quotes. So in quotes you have to give quotes. Date you need to give in single quote. Except for number, everything needs to be given in single quotes. Now fetch all the records where country name starts with AN. Example, Angola. Select asterisk from country where name like an. Now what it will do, it will search for the names which start with an. Okay, you execute it and you will find all the names: Angola, then Anguilla, then Andorra, Antarctica, and Antigua. Understood? Guys, understood? I'm waiting for your answers. Is it clear? Single percentage tells that it should start with an and end, it can end with anything. But it should start with an. Now, select asterisk from country where name like percentage IA. You see, all the names will come over here. Let me write DIA is there or not? Let's write DIA. Like India and Cambodia. You'll have these two. Okay. Understood this thing? All of you? Okay, great. So what we will be doing, we'll be fetching all the records for India, Australia, Germany, and what else you can take? France. So I want to fetch all the records for country India, Australia, Germany, and France. How to do that? That is also pretty simple. Select asterisk from country where name in. Where name in India, Australia, Germany, France. Got it? Guys, waiting for your input. Is it clear? Understood? Are we good on this thing? You understood what these three keywords were? Between, like, and in. These are used with where clause. All of you? Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, let's try to fetch another record. Fetch all the records where for Europe, where population is greater than, we can have, let's say 2 crore. Now here, if you see properly, we have two conditions and both the conditions are necessary. both the conditions are necessary. So what we will do in this case, select asterisk from country where continent equals Europe and population greater than 2 crore. See, these are better. Let's have 5. I think 5 will show us less records, so we'll take it 5. See, this is how it is. Greater than equals to also you can have greater than equals to. Yeah. But 5 crore is not there. So we'll take 5 crore only. Exact 5 crore is not there. How we use the default dataset world. Default dataset is, can you see it over here, world database on the left hand side? So just write this thing, use world. Yesterday I've told you how to use a database. So use world, and then we can use this database. Is this clear? Are we good on this thing? Yes, okay. Fetch all the records where for where continent is either Europe or population is greater than 10 crore is not fine, 50 crore. 50 CR. Now how to see this thing? Just write select asterisk from country where population, sorry, first country we will write, continent will write, continent is equals Europe or population is greater than 50 crores. You will see that the population for Austria is around 80 lakhs. So it is fulfilling our first condition, that is Europe. It is in Europe. Now come to China. Population for China is around 127 crore. But it is fulfilling our second condition, that is 50 crore. So that's the reason you can see Asia, China, like these countries. I think so only 2 Asias, yes, India and China. Understood? Clear? This thing? Yes, guys. Yes, either it will fulfill the first condition or the second condition. Adarsha, related to the or in if else statement in Python. So in Python, what happens when you write or condition? So either the first or second condition should be true. It will show you the result. Same goes in here. If you are using this thing, if the first condition is true and the second one is false, you will get the result. If the first condition is false and the second is true, you'll get the result. Got it? Everyone, is it clear? My next is fetch all the records except for Asia continent. Select asterisk from country where continent equals, sorry, what I was saying. Continent not equals Asia. This is one of the options you can do. You see, now you will not find Asia anywhere. Africa, Antarctica, and Europe. That's it. You will not find. Other way is you write not of continent equals to Asia. No, this not equals to will not work. Not equals to that sign. Use that sign. Because that works in every way. That is also not equals to sign. But it does not work for all the scale. Like here it is working, but in few SQL it does not work. So that's why we don't use that sign. You can use that as well. That is also there. So is it clear, everyone? Are we good on this thing? Okay. Okay. So let's go for the break. We'll go for a break for 10 minutes. We'll meet after 10 minutes and we'll discuss few things like order by, null values, updating the values, deleting the values, selecting top, aggregation, these kind of things we will be using. Okay. So yeah, let's go for the break and we'll meet after 10 minutes. So we need to remove not and apply. Yes, yes. It is correct. Sachin, the question is correct. Fetch all the records except for Asia continent. So we are not getting Asia continent here. That's I'm saying that it works, but not for every SQL that you can use. But this I wanted to show you just not keyword. So except Asia, we are getting except Asia everything. Okay, so we'll go for the break and we'll meet after 10 minutes. Okay. Okay. Now here, the next thing that we have in is order by. Okay, order by clause. Order by as in sorting. Now, what sorting means? Let me show you. Sort the fetch all the records from country table fetch all the records from country table and sort the data population wise. Okay. Now how to do that? Select asterisk from country. This will give you all the records. Now I want to order it by the population. So you see the population is not ordered. So what I will write is order by population. Okay. Antarctica 0, French Southern Territories 0, 0, 0, 0. Then there is one country called, what is this country? Bitcoin, that is 50, then this 600,000, 2,000, and things like that. Okay, understood? Now you may ask one thing, population wise. Let's say, what was that? Which are the records from country table and this and ascending order. Ascending order, simple. Now we will have descending order. So what you write? D, S, C. See the thing. China, India, USA, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, Russia, Bangladesh, Japan, Nigeria, and things like that. Yes, is it clear? Everyone? Clear? All of you? Are we good on this thing? Any doubts? Anyone? How we can get that data in descending order for given range? So first you need to apply the condition where and then order by. Where and order by. Where and order by. Are we good on this thing, everyone? Joining part we don't have today. We'll talk about tomorrow. We'll talk about joining the tables tomorrow. Not today. Today we will just understand the basics of these things, just fetching the query and how filtration is applied and everything. Tomorrow we will have that, not today. Got it? Are we good on this thing? Now, show or fetch all the records. Fetch all the records from country where uh, where index here is null. So we are now dealing with the null value. 1 second, I'll just 1 second. Where population is greater than 5. Like this. Clear, Adarsha? Yeah. Now fetch all the records, select asterisk from country where in-depth year is null. Is null. You can see these all are the records where in-depth year is null. Okay. Yes, you can leave here. In-depth year is null. Got it? Guys, is it clear? Okay. Now, no, you cannot use double quotes. Only single quotes are allowed here for searching. And for not null, you can directly use this keyword called is not null. No. That is considered as a blank. Blank and null are two different things. Guys, is this clear? Okay. Now, so this was for dealing with null values. And the next thing that we have in here is update statement. Now, we were doing till now data definition language, data query language. Now we will be doing data manipulation language. We will be manipulating the data. Manipulating the data, I will use the neobanks. Okay, let me show you. Simple. First use neobank. Oh, better literally. Use neobanks. Use this. Here, you see, let's say I want to update the record for region ID, let's say 9 from Ahmedabad to Surat. We already have now. Kanpur is already there. Right. Let's write Mathura. Okay. See how it is done. In order to do this, you write update table name, set. What is that column? Column is region name, region underscore name equals Mathura. Now that too, since you have to apply the condition, so where region underscore ID equals 9. You see, So you see now 9 is changed to Mathura. Just give me a minute. Till that you can just see, just give me a minute. Yeah. So is that clear? Update statement. How we update it. Update this name, column name, update table name, set column name equals to something, whatever you want, where the condition is getting fulfilled. Got it? Understood, all of you? Please tell. Guys, all of you, is it clear? Let's say I want to delete a record for region Bangalore. Multiple columns, multiple conditions you need to give. But that directly you cannot do. Again, the multiple columns you can update, multiple rows cannot be updated. Multiple columns you can update. Like column 1 equals to value, comma, column 2 equals to value, comma, column 3 equals to value, like that. Okay. Now let me delete a record. So in order to delete a record, we will delete from which table it is. It is region where region underscore ID, or we can say region name equals Bangalore. Now, once you hit this, you will not find any updated here, but you will have now Bangalore has been removed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, once again. Is it not removed? Is the spelling correct? Region underscore name. I have executed this. I have executed this. Wait. Is the spelling correct? BANGALORE. Once again, let me check with region ID. Region underscore ID. For some reason it is not working. Leave it. Yeah, so this is how it works. Okay, we have removed Bangalore from here. Here, okay, there it will not work because actually it's a key. It works on key in here. So this deletion part is clear, everyone? Are we good on deletion part and updating part? Yes, here. Guys, please tell. Let me save this file as well. DQL. And this is DML. So let's see here. This is the thing. Now let's come back here in DQL. Now fetch first or top 5 populous country data. Top 5. Top 5 populous country data. How to do that? That is actually related to order by. I will first show you order by. First, you need to order it. So once you order it, then you will see, okay, what 5 records are there. Yeah, I'm not using this one. See, these are the top 5 populous country. Top 5 is in China, India, USA, Indonesia, Brazil. These are top 5, and I should be able to see only these countries. Now, how to do that? Yes, understood the problem statement? Now, how to do that? We have a pretty simple thing called limit 5. You have top 5 records, top 5 populous countries here. Guys, I want an answer. Please tell if it is clear or not. Only few of you are answering. What about others? Bottom 5, you can remove DESC and you'll get the bottom 5. Remove DESC and you'll get the bottom 5. Correct? Fetch the minimum. Better we have surface area. Fetch the minimum surface area from country. Acha. Here we have one clause called having. We will be talking about that having clause tomorrow. So I'm not going to discuss that having clause today because this problem actually should be related with having. But again, we are not talking about that today. We have that tomorrow. So over here, we'll fetch the minimum surface area. What is the minimum surface area available? So we'll write select minimum surface area from, or just right here, from country. You see the minimum surface area is 0.40 and you want to confirm it, I can confirm it for you as well. Select asterisk from country. The minimum surface area 0.40. Got it? How to write only null in a specific column? As in only null means Om. You want to have a null value, so you can just write equals to null. Acha, only in a okay. So you want one column to be whole null. Is that what you are trying to say? Okay. Let me show you. For that, what you need to do is, where is the DML? Yeah. So here you need to write this thing. That's it. This update region, set region name equals to null. It will add over here. Let me show you quickly. Wait. I'll show you. Wait. Alter table region, add column C1 int. Column is added. Can I check this? Run now. Okay. Okay. So I'm not putting it null for you. I'm not putting null. If you want to give null, you can write just null. What I'm going to do is I will update it with some other value. Okay. Update region C equals to India. No condition, nothing. Now you can see. Oh, just C1 it is. Wait. Update region. It is not coming, right? Update region. No. C1 it is, right? C1. So update region. Correct. Set C1 equals to India. Once, let me check if it is executing it. You are not using a safe mode method without where that uses a key column. To disable safe mode, toggle the option in preferences SQL editor. To correct. What is that? Option in preferences SQL editor and reconnect. Where was that preferences? It was in tools somewhere. Acha, sorry. Yes. Correct. My bad. It's an INT. 1 second. 71. Let me check it with this one. No, it will throw error. Actually, there is security is applied now, so it will throw the error. Where was that preferences? Where I need to go? Connector. Okay, just leave it. Actually, this is how it is done. Let me fix this. I need to, some security is applied. I'll check that security where it is applied, and I'll just change that. What is that? SQL editor and reconnect. 1 minute. Let me check if it can be done. Object editor is there. SQL editor is there. Show metadata, that is okay. Save, update, okay. Neobanks, execute. No. So let me open it again. Wait. These kind of securities are there in MySQL, so you better need to take care of it, but you don't need to worry on that. You don't have to apply these. Without where, you don't have to do that. And first of all, you'll not get the chance in your early stages where you will be updating the data. Let me check if region is perfectly fine. Yes. So this update is set. Now you can see 71. Okay, got it. Clear, everyone? That was the DML part. Okay, let's come back here. Minimum we have taken up. We'll take the maximum. Array fetch na maximum record. What happened? Acha, this will fetch the maximum surface area. Okay, and you can check maximum surface area is there with, sorry, Russian Federation. Maximum area. Okay, got it? Yes or no? Count the total number of records. In order to count the total number of records, we have a statement called select count asterisk from country. Simple. 239 records are there. 239 records are there. 239 records are there. Okay. Count the total population of the countries. Total population. So total population, select some population from country. This is the total population. Okay, got it? Guys, is it clear? Yes or no, please tell. That was the calculate total population. This is the calculate the average population. So average population is this, and total population was this. This is the total population, and that was the average population. Understood, all of you? Any doubts? No? Waiting for your inputs. Please tell. Group by clause is there, but not today. It's tomorrow. What about others? No answer. Everyone silent. What happened? Is it not clear? Okay, that's great. Now the last thing for the day, alias name. Remember, while importing pandas or numpy, what we were doing? We were writing import numpy as np, import pandas as pd, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So what we were doing? We were giving a short name. These naming conventions are really important when you are using joins. So since we are going to talk about joins tomorrow, we'll just have a we will just or will still understand what this join statement is. Sorry, not join statement, actually this alias name. So let me write select asterisk from country as CNT. Now if I want to write cnt.name, so cnt.name means go to country table, and in country table there is a column called name. CNT means I'm talking about country. Okay. population. So see, like if you want to give this average a name, some name, like that we are going to do this thing, alias name, a name what you want to give. So this is what it is. Understood? Like for example, here it is coming average bracket population. So I'll give as average of population. You see, average of population is coming up. Column name got changed. So this is what we call it as alias name. Understood? Here, alias name is similar to your Python. Now we can refer to the country table with CNT. Got this thing? Any doubts? Okay. Okay. So I'm sharing you this one link here. Please fill up that form. And till the time I'll just update this in the drive folder. So by before Tuesday, you at least have this thing if you want to practice. Haha, today's code in that drive link only I'm sharing, the drive that I have shared today, that one. But main code in the portal will be uploaded in on Tuesday only. So if you want today, I have shared it in the in this thing. You can just have it. I'll just share it again. Wait. Loading the data records as in Shruti. I want a screenshot for that. I want a screenshot. A screenshot. Okay, you are not in the group. Which group you are from? Which batch you are from? 23rd April. This recent batch. 23rd April 2023. So the batches groups are created, na? You can share it in that group. Drive link is shared here, Akshay. I have shared the drive link here. Drive link is shared. You can just download it from there. Rest of you, please fill the form and you can just drop off. After filling the form, you can drop off. Date error. I have shared, Shruti, I have shared the drive link. Go to that drive link. There you have one file called transaction data. Transaction is there. Form link is shared, Kamal. I'll just share that again. There, download it from there. Copy paste that data. Yeah, I've shared it. Form link. Okay, have you filled up, all of you? Kindly fill up that form, and till the time we'll just break, and we'll meet tomorrow to discuss the last things that we have. And the last thing that we are going to have is joins, inner join, left join, right join, full join, and we will understand what union is. Union cannot be performed right now because we don't have that kind of data. And then we have having clause, having and group by. That's it. These few things we need to understand. We'll talk about them tomorrow, and we'll wrap up this workshop as well. So thanks everyone. We'll meet tomorrow and discuss the further things.